In today's video, we got something a little bit more unusual, or at least for me, and it's this laser hair removal device made by VEME. So looking at the box, you guys can tell this is probably for mostly women, but it's obviously can be also used for men. And essentially what this does is get rid of hair where you don't want it. So this is the box it comes in. You can see here, it says perfect skin, perfect life. I guess that's the model number there. You can barely read it. It's V401, but yeah, and their website here. So very nice box. Go ahead and open it. So there's like a lid, it comes off. And this is how it's packed. So pretty simple. We can see the device right on top, plastic wrapped. And this is what it looks like. So yeah, it's all plasticky, not very heavy. We got a button here, some venting, the pulsing device in the front, some kind of sensor here, the logo, light blue color on the top, power button, and a little display. Some more venting. The handle here, we have a port, and that's for power input. And we can see here, there's a label that says IPL hair removal. And the IPL stands for intense pulse light. So not sure how accurate it would be to call it laser, but it's more of a flash of light that comes out of here on the front where this lens is, if you guys can see that maybe. So the idea is it builds up energy and then pulses, kind of like if you ever used, probably the younger people would not know this too much, but on the old cameras, they used to have a flash, or maybe a disposable camera. Those are probably more common, where when you use the flash, it builds up energy and then flashes. This looks like that's what kind of technology this is. So, but yeah, the gun seems nice. Let's go ahead and see what else we got here in the package. All right, so looks like we do get some kind of glasses here, and they are pretty dark. You guys can't even see through them, as you can see. So they're on the darker side and they have a slightly green tint to them. So you're probably gonna wear these, but I think this is more of a precautionary safety thing. But it's nice that it comes with some glasses. We got our power cord, which looks like is an adapter, and it's a 12 volt, 3 amps. And you just plug it in into the back of the gun here, and that's how you use it. So you do, looks like, have to have it plugged in. It's not rechargeable. All right, so we got a few more things here in the box. Looks like some please read carefully tips, so this could be quite useful. And our user manual that goes through the whole process here and how to use it. It could be obviously very useful to go through this before you start using the device itself. So, and the last part here looks like almost like a bonus maybe, is a little razor shaving blade. I guess to maybe clean yourself up before you actually use the removal. All right, so let's go through the quick tips here. I think this would be very useful. So on the first part there, it kind of tells us how this process works and what to expect. You know, it will take some time, which it looks like takes about 2 to 3 months. So number 3 here, they recommend starting with a level 1 and then move up in the intensities. That way you don't burn yourself. And you use it about 2 to 3 times a week with about 1 to 2 times per area. So you don't want to, you know, overdo it or burn yourself. And number 4 here is quite important because it tells you here that it only works on darker hair. So if you have white, gray, or blonde, red hair, it won't work. And also if you have dark skin or brown skin, it's not going to work for that either. And then on number 5 here, it kind of warns you that if you have sensitive skin, you might have some pain or even, you know, have rashes or spots come out. So yeah, be careful with that. All right, so with that out of the way, let's go ahead and plug this thing in and see how it works. Ironically, guys, I am a very hairy person, but I will not be removing my hair. And the reason for that is because I don't have a problem with it and I enjoy it. And you guys probably wondering, why are you reviewing this thing? Well, the reason I have it is because my wife bought it and she wants to use it. So what I'm doing here is an unboxing and kind of go over the functions. All right, so we're plugged in the power. We should be able to power it on. So let's go ahead and click this power button. And there it goes, it comes on. And there's actually a fan that blows through here. And the air comes out the back a little bit. It's very slight breeze. And you guys can see there, this is our display. Power button glows really nice. So RS means how much flashes we still have left. So we have 500,296 flashes. So this device has a lifetime, I guess, of that many flashes. Now, according to what they say, is this is more than enough to treat the whole body multiple times. And then once you treat it once, you just maintain it. So, you know, this would still last a very long time. And below that, we have the level. So it's at level 1 now. And underneath that, we have the function, which is hair removal. And I don't think that does anything else. So if we click on the power button once, we're going to intense the level. You guys can see there. And there's 5, looks like. and it goes backwards back to 1. So we'll leave it at 1 here because I am going to try to use it on myself. I don't want to actually burn my hair. But yeah, it's as simple as that. And then we have the trigger button here. Now it won't work, or should not, until, you know, this sensor here is completely covered. And then, you know, it'll shoot the burst of light out of this little window here. Now, another thing to keep note is that the lens on the front here gets really hot after a few flashes. So you want to be careful not to, you know, push too hard or into like somewhere where you can touch the lens. You want to, you know, just kind of come up to the skin and then, you know, fire away. You don't want to push into it, I guess is the point here. And obviously you shouldn't be looking in this light if possible. So yeah, we have the trigger here. So let's go ahead and do our first shot here. And I'm just going to do it somewhere random. Let's say here on my hand. This should be fine. So, and you can see it starts to blink. So it blinks whenever it knows that it can go ahead and activate. So I'm going to go ahead and fire one. And there we go. Oh wow, I felt the heat. Okay, so that was only level 1, and yeah, it was quite intense there, meaning that I felt it for sure. So yeah, I can only imagine once you go up in intensities, it'll probably feel even hotter. But it's only a short burst, and so it's not discomfort of any kind at all. So let's go ahead and turn it up all the way, because I really want to see what that will feel like. And we'll do another spot on the hand somewhere, let's say right here. That way we don't do the same spot. But you guys ready? Wow. Okay, I definitely felt that. That's definitely much stronger than that level 1. So yeah, I recommend you start with 1, and you know, the more comfortable you feel, the more you can go up in the level. So if you can handle higher levels, obviously it'll be a lot more effective. But if you can't, then you know, you just might have to do it more with a lower level. So yeah, that's pretty simple, guys. And the idea is to treat your area wherever you're, you know, trying to get rid of hair a couple times a week, going over a couple times each time. So, and then continuously doing that, eventually, you know, you will eliminate growth there and not have to worry about shaving or waxing or whatnot else. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off, and you just hold the power button. So yeah, guys, you can see this thing is pretty cool, and understanding how it works with just a pulse of flash, it feels to be pretty safe overall. All right, so we got Mila here, and she's gonna show us how to use this thing. All right, so what you're gonna do is click that power button and hold it. There you go. So the first number here is your life, and every time it flashes, it goes 1 down, and that's your level. And to adjust the level, you just click it once. There you go. So start with 1 first. Go ahead and click it more times to cycle through it. Yeah, and then you're going to push that button there to activate it. Now I think if you hold it, it should still work too, but we can try that out. Okay, so Mila's going to do her armpit here, because that's where she doesn't want the hair. Okay, yeah, I forgot to tell you that if you look at the screen when it starts flashing, that's when you can go. Go ahead, try it again. So when it starts flashing. Wait, does it flash or no? Yeah. There it goes. Did you see it flash? Try holding it and see what happens. And then go down. There you go. So yeah, if you hold it, it just keeps going. So basically what you're going to do is go over twice in the same area. And then do this 2 to 3 times a week. So does that feel like it's burning?
It's hot.
Maybe try a higher level, because it's going to be more effective. Like if you can handle it, yeah, try that.
Oh, it's more powerful.
Yeah, it's a lot more powerful.
Maybe don't hold it so close.
Well, you kind of have to be close so you can activate.
Oh yeah, okay. Ow, that hurts.
So if it hurts, maybe you want to go back a little.
It hurts.
Yeah.
It burns.
So yeah, guys, depending on where you do it, you know, you might want to turn it up or down, because under the arm is a pretty sensitive area. So.
Yeah, 2 and 1 is good.
So don't overdo it. Do it a few times, and then you should be good for that area, and you can go to the other areas. So what do you think? Is it good?
It's good. I like it. But...
All right, so it looks like it works good, and Mila's going to enjoy it. So hopefully she'll see the results she wants. And hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and it was useful. So if you liked it, then hit that like button. And if you want to see more videos like this and other things I do on this channel, then stay tuned. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.